Okay, it is dinner time. You babies want dinner? Huh? You want dinner? There you go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Come on. Turn around. Here you go. Come on. Everybody get in here. Come. There you go, babies. Slope, 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 slope. Here you go. There you go, little ones. Get you some room. Sound like little pigs, don't they? Haley, you ready to do dishes? You guys are little pigs. Good grief. Come on. School back over. Was it good, Mr. Green? It's all over your face. Mm-hmm. That's a little seafoam. That's Miss Pink that just backed up. We might need to borrow Jackie's big flying saucer pan. We may need to borrow Jackie's big flying saucer pan. Well, don't eat so fast. Uh-huh. Haley, there may not be a lot of dishes left for you to clean up. It looks like they may get it all cleaned up themselves. Okay, I guess that's it. 3.5 minutes is all it took. These guys don't, piranhas don't have nothing on these guys. 3.5 minutes. Yeah. Start to finish. And they're walking away. Alright, that's it.